So today I'm going to show you how to make kefir. Kefir is a probiotic drink made with kefir grains. Kefir grains are an unusual species. They're basically a combination of bacteria and yeast, ideal for gut health. So they form into these little cauliflower grains. They're passed on from one person to another. They can't be manufactured. They're completely natural. And so I got my grains a couple of months ago. Bought them actually over the internet in Germany, and started making kefir. It's one of the best things I've done for my gut health and my mental health. I really feel a difference, and I'm recommending to anybody who's doing a detox, an antidepressant detox. You got to work on your gut health, and there's nothing better than kefir for that, because I add to my kefir, I add ashwagandha and turmeric, and you can add other powders to really enhance your kefir. So let's go and do it. So these are the kefir grains. I have them here in this jar in some kefir that was stored in the fridge for a week or two, since I didn't have milk to make a new batch. So you can see they're tiny little grains. What I'm going to do now is add these to a new batch of raw milk and store for about 5 to 6 days. There we have our raw milk mixed with our kefir grains, and I will store that for about 5 days. I'll put a new date on top, and we'll have our new batch of kefir. Just one thing I forgot to mention was, don't let your kefir grains touch any steel. They must be stored in a glass jar, handled with a plastic spoon as I have here, and sieved after a week. I forgot to say, after a week, when your kefir has fermented, you then use a plastic sieve to sieve off the grains, and keep the kefir in a separate bottle and use it as you need to on a daily basis, and then start a new batch. It's better to try and keep a new batch going on a weekly basis rather than storing the kefir as I had it stored here for a few days. So keep the kefir going. Once you sieve off your kefir grains and you store your new batch of kefir, start a new batch again, and every week you'll have a new batch. That's it. So this is from my last batch. It's nice there when you see the bubbles. I'm going to have a nice little drink of this. Here's to healthy gut and healthy brain. Really good. Kefir's best made with raw milk. Can be hard to find, but I found it in the farmers market here in Dublin. If you make it with pasteurized milk or homogenized milk, it's not going to be as effective, because raw milk is a natural probiotic and it needs the kefir and the raw milk to blend to really make a really good kefir. So that's it. Quite simple. Any questions you have, let me know in the comments below. I really recommend you to make it, especially if you're on any kind of detox, but especially if you're on a psychiatric drug detox from antidepressants or Cymbalta. Kefir is going to be one of the powerhouse foods that you'll need to rebuild your gut. So that's it. See you in a video soon. Take care. Bye bye.